Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to log in WhatsApp web without using QR code. So we are in web.whatsapp.com. Now you see step to login. If you have phone or QR code, so you can scan QR code, but we are going to log in without QR code. Now you see login with phone number, so click on it. Now you see enter phone number, so you can select your country and then you can add your number. So we added our number and then click on next button. Now you see enter code on phone, so you will receive notification on your mobile. Now you see instruction, so we added number. Now you see login done, loading your chat, so you can log in without QR code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.